Hello everyone. I'm Pawan here to teach you science. Okay. So today we will discuss about the science chapter gravitation. So what is the simple meaning of gravitation here? Gravitation means I can take an example of gravitation. Suppose I have a duster. I am dropping this duster. Then what will happen? This will move downward. Okay. So what is happening behind it? It's moving downward. It means Earth is attracting this duster by some force, and this force is known as gravitational force, right? But what is the actual meaning? Okay, if I can say one thing like that, suppose that I have pen and this is duster. Okay, so what says universal law of gravitation? Universal law of gravitation says that every objects that have mass attract each other. Okay, universal law of gravitation also says like that. This is have mass m1 and this is have mass m2, and both attract each other with a gravitational force. Okay, but in real life we see that they are not attracting with any force, but magnitude of force is very less, you can say very low. That's why they are not able to attract each other. I will show you in next slide how much force, with how much force they can attract. Okay, those. But in case of our Earth has Earth is a huge body that have a huge amount of mass. That's why Earth can attract this duster. Because magnitude of force that in that case is very you can say very high amount of magnitude. You can say like that. Okay, no issue. So we will discuss now universal law of gravitation. What is the simple meaning of universal law of gravitation? That means the universal law of gravitation states that every object in the universe attract every other objects with a force known as gravitational force. What is the meaning here? According to universal law of gravitation, that was given by Newton, and it was our great scientist. Okay, so universal law of gravitation states that every object in universe, every object, this is also object in universe, and this is also object in universe. So both are object, and they are also attracting with a gravitational force, right? What is the simple meaning? If I say this is duster, if I drop this duster, then Earth is attracting this duster with gravitational force, and this duster is also attracting Earth with gravitational force. But but our Earth has a huge amount of mass. Earth is a huge body. That's why Earth can attract this small body, but this small body attract Earth. This is not able to see by our normal life. Okay. So simple meaning of gravitation, I think you have clear. Every object, every bodies that have masses attract each other. Clear? Now we'll discuss about the statement that was given by the Newtons. Okay, if I take this is distance between, I take two bodies. Okay, I am calculating force of two bodies. If I say this have m1 mass, this body have m2 mass, and distance between them is r, is small r. Okay, and I am assuming these two masses are in spherical shape, so I will take distance from centers. Okay, now so force between these two bodies will be attractive force, because always two bodies attract each other. So I can say like that, F is here force of attraction, force of attraction. You can say this is a gravitational force. This is a gravitational. You can also can say it's like it is a gravitational force. So what say universal law of gravitation? Force between two bodies is directly proportional to the product of both masses. F is directly proportional to the m1 m2. I can say force is directly proportional to the product of both masses. Clear? Second statement that was given by Newton is F is directly proportional to the 1 upon r square. You can say like that, or you can say it like that. Force of attraction is inversely proportional to the distance of between them. Okay, square of distance between them. Sorry, square of distance between them. So what is R here? R is distance between two masses. So by mixing both equations, I will get this expression like that. I will get expression F is directly proportional to the M1 M2 upon R square. Okay, this is proportional constant. If I remove this proportional constant, then I will get a constant that is known as gravitational constant. This will be M1 M2 upon R square. Now, what is G here? G is gravitational constant. This is gravitational constant. Okay, and we know every constant has fixed value. So what will be the value of G here? G will be 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11. Now we can calculate unit of G also. If I calculate G from here, then I will say R will go in this side. Then will be this will be F into R square upon M1 M2. So unit will be unit of force is Newton. And R square in meter, SI unit of R is will be meter square upon kg square. Unit of M is mass is kg and kg square. So unit will be Newton meter square upon kg square. Okay, this will be unit.